What if an animal could live 10 times longer than expected, never feel certain types of pain, and almost never get cancer? Scientists genuinely believe this remarkably strange creature may hold incredible secrets to human longevity, hiding quietly right beneath our very own feet. It lives completely hidden beneath the dark soil, looking exactly like some bizarre alien creature visiting from another distant, unknown solar system. Welcome to Hidden Truths of Earth. Today, we meet the extraordinary naked mole rat, a fascinating creature defying known biological rules. At first glance, the naked mole rat looks almost completely alien with its deeply wrinkled pink skin and tiny blind eyes. But appearances can be highly deceiving in nature. This strange rodent is actually one of the most extraordinary animals on Earth. These fascinating creatures live in massive underground colonies located deep beneath the dry, unforgiving soils of East Africa, surviving harsh conditions. Naked mole rats live in complex underground tunnels, building massive colonies that can easily contain over 300 individual members. Even more surprising to researchers, their unique underground society works almost exactly like a highly organized insect colony, which is rare. Within this complex structure, there is only one breeding female acting as a single queen, ruling over the entire massive colony. The rest of the colony simply acts as dedicated workers and brave soldiers, fiercely protecting their queen and maintaining the tunnels. This incredibly rare social system is called eusociality. Among all known mammals, almost no other species lives exactly like this creature. The dedicated worker rats spend their entire lives tirelessly digging through hard dirt, expanding their massive underground empire with giant teeth. Remarkably, a quarter of their entire muscle mass is located within their powerful jaws, allowing them to chew solid earth effortlessly. They actually have the incredible ability to move their lower teeth independently, working exactly like a pair of biological, digging chopsticks. Because they live entirely in total darkness, they are almost completely blind, relying heavily on their highly sensitive facial hairs. These tiny sensory hairs are spread across their wrinkled bodies, helping them feel their way through pitch-black tunnels with absolute precision. Their primary food source consists of massive underground roots and tubers, which they carefully hollow out without ever destroying the plant. This brilliant, sustainable feeding strategy ensures the giant tuber continues growing, providing a completely reliable, endless food supply for the colony. While most animals react immediately to physical pain, naked mole rats are vastly different, showing absolutely no physical reaction to burns. They simply do not feel any pain from certain harsh chemicals that typically cause severe burning sensations in every other mammal. Highly acidic substances or even capsaicin, the specific chemical compound that makes chili peppers incredibly hot, barely affects these amazing creatures. Scientists eventually discovered that their unique pain receptors work completely differently, providing a fascinating biological shield against extremely harsh underground environments. This incredible pain resistance is an adaptation that likely evolved because their dark underground tunnels contain extremely high levels of carbon dioxide. Hundreds of rats breathing in tightly confined spaces naturally creates an incredibly toxic atmosphere that would easily suffocate normal mammalian species. Yet, the naked mole rat thrives perfectly in this harsh environment, effortlessly surviving on incredibly low oxygen levels for extended periods. In absolute emergencies, their bodies can temporarily switch to burning fructose instead of glucose, allowing them to survive without oxygen safely. This metabolic trick is usually only seen in plants, making the naked mole rat an absolute biological marvel among living animals. Perhaps the most astonishing and mind-blowing feature of all naked mole rats is their seemingly impossible natural biological resistance to cancer. While deadly cancer remains extremely common in most aging mammals, documented cases in naked mole rats are incredibly rare and non-existent. Researchers analyzing their bodies discovered a highly special, thick substance hidden deep within their tissues called high molecular mass hyaluronan, acting incredibly fast. This fascinating, thick molecule effectively helps prevent their biological cells from ever growing uncontrollably. Essentially, their tiny bodies automatically stop dangerous tumors before they even begin to form, keeping the naked mole rat completely healthy. This unique cellular mechanism acts like a strict biological traffic cop, immediately halting any abnormal cell division the moment it begins. Scientists believe this thick, sugary substance originally evolved to simply make their skin highly elastic, allowing them to squeeze through tunnels. But this brilliant evolutionary adaptation accidentally gave them the ultimate biological shield against cancer, sparking massive interest from medical researchers worldwide. Most common rodents found in the wild usually live only 2 to 3 short years before succumbing to natural aging. But incredible naked mole rats can easily live over 30 years, defying all standard biological expectations for an animal this small. Even more incredible to observing scientists, these fascinating creatures show almost absolutely no visible signs of physical aging throughout their lives. Their natural risk of sudden death does not increase significantly with advanced age, remaining remarkably stable throughout their entire long lifespan. This bizarre phenomenon is something leading scientists actively call negligible senescence, meaning their bodies simply refuse to break down over time. Meaning, these fascinating little underground creatures barely seem to age at all, maintaining their youthful cellular vigor until the final days. Their bones remain incredibly strong, their tiny hearts pump perfectly, and their reproductive abilities stay completely intact even at 30 years. If standard human beings aged exactly like these incredible creatures, a 90-year-old person would still possess the perfect physical health of youth. Because of these truly extraordinary biological traits, naked mole rats have quickly become a massive, major focus of modern global biological research. Dedicated scientists genuinely hope studying their unique bodies could finally help unlock mysterious, hidden secrets to significantly longer, healthier human lifespans. Understanding their unique nervous systems might also lead researchers toward creating significantly better, highly effective pain treatments for suffering patients soon. Furthermore, their natural immunity could potentially reveal entirely new, revolutionary medical ways to fight and completely eradicate human cancer in the future. Researchers are currently analyzing their exact genetic codes, carefully trying to isolate the specific biological mechanisms that grant them incredible longevity. By mapping their unique DNA, scientists hope to eventually translate these incredible animal superpowers into practical, life-saving medical treatments for humans. Imagine a future where devastating human diseases are stopped immediately, all thanks to the humble biology of a tiny, wrinkly rodent, hidden deeply beneath the dry soil. This strange, alien-looking animal may actually hold vital answers to biology's absolute greatest mysteries today. They teach us exactly how to naturally resist deadly disease, maintaining perfect cellular health while living in extremely harsh environmental conditions. They show exactly how to survive extreme, highly toxic environments that would easily suffocate and destroy almost any other mammalian species. And perhaps, studying their unique biology will finally teach humanity exactly how to effectively slow down the natural, inevitable aging process. Nature often hides its absolute best, most valuable secrets in the strangest, most unexpected places, far away from our everyday sight. The naked mole rat proves that true beauty lies completely within survival, resilience, and the sheer biological perfection of adapting beautifully. Sometimes, the ultimate hidden key to the bright future of modern medicine is simply buried quietly underground, waiting patiently for discovery. Thank you for exploring this amazing creature with us today, uncovering yet another fascinating, hidden secret of our vast, diverse planet. Remember to subscribe to Hidden Truths of Earth for more incredible biological discoveries. And we will see you in the next video.